Hello dear students, we will do sound of CH. Sound of CH. How it will be pronounced? CH. CH. Okay. The sound of CH is ch. In Hindi, ch. Okay. We have done our sound of TH, th and the. Sound of SH, sh. Today we will do CH. Okay. B-E-A-C-H. B-E-A-C-H. Beach. T-O-R-C-H. T-O-R-C-H. Torch. C-H-I-C-K. C-H-I-C-K. Chick. C-H-I-L-D. C-H-I-L-D. Child. C-H-A-I-R. C-H-A-I-R. Chair. T-E-A-C-H-E-R. T-E-A-C-H-E-R. Teacher. Okay. Now there are some more words. C-H-A-T. C-H-A-T. Chat. C-H-A-P. Chap. C-H-A-S-E. Chase. C-H-A-N-C-E. Chance. Okay. Sound of CH, ch. What is the sound of CH? Ch. Okay. Now we will write some words from CH. Okay. C H I N. CH, ch. I-E-N, n. Chin. Now C-H-E-S-T. C-H, ch. E-A-S-S-T, t. Chest. C-H-I-L-L. C-H-I-E-L-L. Chill. C-H-E-C-K. C-H, ch. E-A-C-K. Check. Now R-I-C-H. R-I-E-C-H. Rich. C-A-T-C-H. C-K-A-T-C-H. But this time T will silent. So we will say catcher. Catcher. Okay. Now M-U-C-H. M-U-Ch. Much. L-U-N-C-H. L-U-N-Ch. Lunch. Okay. These are few words of CH. Chin, rich, chest, catch, chill, much, check, lunch.